Good afternoon, children. As you can see and understand that today I am going to teach you different kind of shape. As you can see, there are different kinds of cutouts of shapes. So let's start. Our first shape is triangle. The spelling of triangle is triangle. Children, the shape of triangle, there are three sides in triangle, 1, 2 and 3 sides. So a triangle is having 3 sides. Our next shape is a rectangle. Spelling of rectangle is RECTANGLE. Rectangle. Rectangle is the shape which is having 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. But the 4 sides are parallel to each other. That means all 4 sides are not equal, but the top and the bottom sides are equal and the left and the right sides are equal to each other. Understood? Our next shape is a square shape. Spelling of square is SQUARE, square. See children, it is also having 4 sides, but all the sides are equal. Okay. Our next shape is a circle shape. Circle shape is the shape which is having no sides. Okay, it's look like a round shape. Spelling of circle is CIRCLE, circle. Our next shape is a cone shape. Spelling of cone is CONE, cone. Cone shape is little bit resembles us the shape of a triangle, but the difference is the bottom part. See, the bottom part of a triangle is flat or straight, but the bottom part of a cone shape is in round shape. Understood? Our next shape is oval shape. See, oval shape is, you can see, a mixed combination of circle, see from here, and little bit it reminds us the shape of the top side of a triangle and a cone shape, but it's a different kind of shape. Okay, oval shape is the shape which is look like a shape of an egg. Our next shape is cylinder shape. Spelling of cylinder CYLINDER, cylinder. Cylinder is the shape which reminds us the shape of rectangle if we'll keep it like this. But the difference is rectangle's shape, the top and the bottom is having is flat. It is flat and straight. But in cylinder shape, the top and the bottom part is in round or in circle shape. Now children, I am going to show you some object or any object which reminds us the shape of, which reminds us all these shape, or which resembles the shape all these shapes. Okay, children, whatever object I am having, I am showing you. Okay, for triangle, see children, this letter A looks like a shape of triangle or resembles the shape of triangle. Okay, now rectangle. Children, a part of this letter, can you tell me, or do you know what are the shapes which resembles the shape of triangle? Children, a samosa, pyramid, and the 1/4 piece of a pizza resembles the shape of a triangle. Okay, rectangle. Children, I am having this box of a mouth freshener which actually resembles the shape of, or reminds us the shape of a rectangle. A part of this box, this exam board, mobile phones and smart board, our television, laptops and blackboards. It reminds us the shape of a rectangle. Square shape. Children, can you tell me some object which reminds us the shape of a square shape? Okay, right now I am having one hanky. See children, This hanky is having 4 sides and all the sides are equal. So it reminds the shape of a square. A part of this hanky, sorry, some boxes which is having 4 equal sides. Okay, and dice which will use to playing ludos, it also having 4 equal sides and it reminds the shape of a square shape. Okay, circle shape. Children, right now I'm having this box which is actually reminds us or resembles the shape of a circle. A part of this box, some vegetables like tomato, some fruits like oranges. These fruits and vegetables resembles or reminds a shape of circles. A part of that, some watch, some wall clocks are also in circle shape. Okay, now cone shape. Children, a birthday cap. See children, it reminds us the shape of a cone shape. Okay, it is also having a bottom side which is in round shape. A part of this birthday cap, cone of ice cream is also look like the shape of this cone shape. Okay, oval shape. Right now I don't have any object which I can show you which reminds of the shape of an oval shape, but everybody has seen an egg. So an egg which actually resembles the shape of an oval shape. Okay, cylinder shape. See children, I am having the leftover this, what you can say, the cardboard box kind of box which remind us the shape of a cylinder shape because the top and the bottom side are in round shape. And see this lip balm where the top and the bottoms are in round shape which reminds us the shape of cylinder. Okay, this also, this gum also, the top and bottom sides are in round or in circle shape which remind the shape of a cylinder. So children, like this you will learn the shape of the different kind of shape. Okay, and please learn the spelling of all the shapes, and at home what you will do, you will see the object which remind a different kind of shape, and like this you will learn the different kind of shapes. So thank you children, and please watch this video carefully and learn the different kind of shapes and the spellings. Thank you.